Baler is a small town located on the eastern coast of Luzon Island in the Philippines. It is the capital of the province of Aurora, which was named after the wife of former Philippine President Manuel Quezon. The town is approximately 231 kilometers northeast of Manila and can be reached by land or air transportation. Baler is a popular destination for surfers and beach lovers due to its stunning beaches and consistent waves. Sabang Beach is the most popular beach in Baler and is known for its long stretch of gray sand and crystal clear waters. It is also the site of the annual Aurora Surfing Cup, a competition that attracts surfers from all over the world. Other beaches in Baler include Cemento Beach, which is known for its massive waves, and Charlie's Point, which gained international recognition as one of the filming locations for the movie, Apocalypse Now. Aside from its beaches, Baler is also known for its rich history. In 1898, during the Philippine Revolution, a group of Spanish soldiers took refuge in the town's church for 337 days until they were finally rescued by American troops. This event, which is known as the Siege of Baler, is commemorated through the Museo de Baler, a museum that showcases artifacts and exhibits related to the town's past. Another historical attraction in Baler is the Ermita Hill, which played a significant role in the town's history. It served as a lookout point during the Spanish occupation and was used by the Japanese during World War II as a defense post. Visitors can hike to the top of the hill and enjoy a panoramic view of the town and the Pacific Ocean. For nature enthusiasts, Baler offers several attractions, including the Ditumabo Falls, a stunning waterfall located in the nearby town of San Luis. The falls can be reached by trekking through a forest trail, and visitors can swim in the natural pool at the base of the falls. Overall, Baler is a charming town that offers a unique mix of history, nature, and adventure. Whether you're a surfer, a history buff, or just looking for a relaxing beach getaway, Baler has something to offer.